Today we're taking a look at the Lancer EVO 6 kit from Fujimi models. It's on deck, so let's get to it. Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage for today's What's in the Box. And we're taking a look at the Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 6 from Fujimi models. This kit was released in 2001, and then it had a bunch of various reissues over the last decade. I mean, and it had a lot of reissues and different configurations, different variations, different stuff. And then it was initially, last reissue of this one came in 2015, and that is the one we are looking at today. So with that, let's get to it and check it out. And getting started with the body. Now getting us started will be the chassis suspension parts tree. And now taking a look at the interior parts tree. And one more parts tree to look at. This one is going to be kind of like a supplemental parts tree for this series of kits, and this will be the part tree you're going to be using for this kit. You'll be using this dash, the steering wheel, the exhaust, pretty much everything on this parts tree we will be using, versus and not the parts on the other parts trees. Now take a look at the clear parts tree. Now turn our attention to the wheels, tires, and some other bits. Up first, the metal axle, the mesh to use for the grills, and the wheels and tires. Now finally, the decals and window masking sheet. First, the window mask. Not pre-cut, you have to cut them out yourself. And the decal sheet. So that is going to about do it for this look at the Mitsubishi Lancer GSR EVO 6 kit from Fujimi models. Pretty simple kit. And of course, if you want to paint it with some Mitsubishi color match paint, pretty sure James at Scalefinishes can get that hooked up for you. So on that note, thank you guys for watching. We will see you next time.